Fundraising Fundamentals. In this video, we will answer several questions about raising money for your VEX Robotics team. This information can be helpful not only to starting teams, but continuing VEX Robotics teams as well. In this video, we will answer questions such as, why do we need to raise money? What are the ways to raise money for your team? What is fundraising? What are some ways to fundraise? What is sponsorship? What is the best way to reach a sponsor? How can we contact a sponsor? What are grants? And how do we reach government agencies and businesses? Why do we need to raise money? We need to raise money for VEX Robotics parts, for tools, to enter into competitions, to travel to competitions, to provide team spirit wear, to provide safety equipment such as safety glasses or goggles, for community outreach programs, and to host competitions. What are ways to raise money for your team? Ways to raise money for your team include fundraising, sponsorship, and grants. But what is fundraising? Fundraising is the organized activity of soliciting money to raise funds to participate in VEX Robotics. What are some ways to fundraise? Examples of fundraisers would be selling hex bugs, doing a bake sale, holding a concession stand, selling candy bars, participating in a car wash, selling ice cream, selling gift cards, or by recycling printer cartridges. What is sponsorship? Sponsorship is a way of reaching out to a local business or company and asking for a donation or donation in return for an ad space to your VEX Robotics team. What is the best way to reach a sponsor? The best way to reach a sponsor is by directly contacting them. How can we contact a sponsor? The best ways to contact a sponsor are by visiting the company, emailing the company, sending the company a typed, professional-looking letter, or by going to their website and pressing their Contact Us link. Some tips. When writing a sponsorship letter, include a picture of your team. Explain the purpose of your program. Make sure the letter is free of spelling errors. Offer sponsors an incentive to sponsoring your team. For example, offer to put their company name on the back of your team shirts, on your team banner displayed during a competition, by placing a sign on your robot, or a link on your website. What are grants? Grants are large portions of money donated by government agencies and businesses to your VEX Robotics team or to a hosting event. How do we reach government agencies and businesses? Contacting a government agency or business is much like contacting a sponsor. A professionally typed letter is the best way to contact them. Again, you may want to offer the businesses incentives to giving a grant to your team. Have fun fundraising.